Namaste, I am Dr. Kanchan Gupta to narrate the incident of empowerment of Narendra Nath Dutt Naren Swami Vivekanand by his bona fide guru Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans. Once Narendra Nath Dutt used to hear about the miraculous powers of Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans, but he used to say to his friends that Swami Ramkrishan is a magician and nothing more than that. Friends of colleagues of Narendranath Naren, Swami Vivekanand were fascinated by Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans. Once they insisted on Vivekanand to visit Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans. As he went to the house of Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans, Swami sitting inside the home said, "O Naren, come, I am waiting for you since many births. I was searching you." As Swami Vivekanand entered the room of Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans, Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans touched Swami Vivekanand's chest with his big toe, the big thumb of his feet, and an electric shock like rays entered in body of Narendranath Dutt Naren Swami Vivekanand. Narendranath started shivering and experienced as if his existence merging into nothing. Vivekanand got frightened and cried. Swami Vivekanand experienced frightening trance where the physical world seemed to vanish and cried out, "What are you doing to me? I have my parents, my siblings at home." And Vivekanand lost consciousness. Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans transferred his whole energy in body of Vivekanand. Ramkrishan Paramhans restored Vivekanand's consciousness back, laughed and said, "Don't be afraid, everything will happen in due time." This event was the turning point in Swami Vivekanand's Narendranath Dutt's the disciple Naren's spiritual journey. He came out from the room in fear and thought that he had been kept under black magic by Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans. As he came on road, it was raining. He saw a man holding the hands of his son and getting him under umbrella to save him from rain. But that child was again and again running out of that umbrella. By watching it, he realized that Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans is getting him under the umbrella of immortality. But as a truant child, he, Narendranath, is not ready to get safe under umbrella provided by his gurus Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans. Then he turned back to the home of Swami Ramkrishan Paramhans and surrendered himself to his bona fide guru. Thank you for listening this story. Thank you.